Hey, it's CopperCarver, and today we are taking a look at the Govee Glide Y Lights. So this is a product that has actually been out for a very long time and a product that I already own. However, I haven't done a video on it yet. I've included it in a lot of my videos, of course, in my backgrounds, and on a quick, let's talk about on my Govee Light video, I talked about it a bit. But I just kind of wanted to do a dedicated video for it because it's honestly, I think, one of their best products, especially with its customization with how many you can add. And I haven't honestly looked on YouTube to see if there's been like a 2025 is still great video. Short answer is yes, it's still great. It's one of their greatest. And honestly, right now, this is on sale for about $110, which is kind of the lowest I've seen it. And I don't know if that's an early Black Friday sale or if maybe it'll become lower. Let's do a over the top unboxing. I will admit I am about to redo a lot of my my setup. I'm going to kind of change my editing station a bit to be more modern, probably less RGB, but I'm still going to have RGB quite heavily on one side, which will mainly be my backdrop. I know, crazy, right? But anyways, so what I was saying is you won't actually see me put it on the wall, but I mean, I'll exactly show you kind of how you do it, and then you'll just see the finished product and going through the app and going through some of the scenes. But yeah, let's check it out. So here we go right here. We got the Govee Glide Y Light 7-piece set. I'll just kind of take a look at the box right here. I absolutely love how clean and cool this is, to be honest, guys. Okay, let's do this. I think we just can slide this top part out. Yeah, look at that. Ugh. There we go. And here it is. Govee Glide Y Lights. Let's open this up right here. Okay. Thanks for choosing Govee. Here we go. Let's open this up. And there we go. Right here. You know what? Let's just dig in and look at the main piece right here. You can see this. The lighting is on the sides. It's in the middle right there. Check out the back. So you just connect adjacently right there. We have the adhesive on the back. Yeah, check that out. And honestly, each and every piece is the same. So we should have 7. Now what's really cool is that they come with this little piece of paper. That way, if you do want to put this on the wall just to kind of pre-plan your layout. So that's actually really nice. So 7 of these. So let's go ahead and just take a look at the other box here, okay? So this is the accessory package. So this says user manual, control box, quick start guide, and connectors. Let's see. Okay. So right here is the little built-on button right here. Right here, one of these is on and off. One of these I want to say is scene rotating, and the other one is some other type of rotating. I honestly don't remember right now. Now this part you just connect to whichever end. Now on the, you'll see here in a bit that there's connectors that you would put in between this, but this is essentially the part that goes on the part closest to your power. So there's this. Also, here are those little connector pieces I was talking about. Right here. So there's extra adhesive just in case. And then there's a bunch of these pieces in here. So here's these pieces. You would connect one right here. You would just slide that in. And then the other part just snaps on there. So it comes with enough for that. And I want to say this one is in case, I guess you need one of them spread apart or really long, because that would slide in there and pop in there. I've personally never needed to use it. We have wipes. A lot of times this is for the wall before you place them on there, so they'll stick better. Here's everything about their socials, their Facebook, different things like that. And here we have our user manual. This does work with Dream View, so just kind of talking about Dream View. The quick start guide for just how to get it to connect to the power outlet and everything like that. Right here, I don't remember seeing these. Apparently it's for helping you design your layout in some way. Personally, I don't need to use it. You know, I just always put it on and it worked. And here should be the actual plug itself, which I do want to say is decently long. Yeah, so here is the box itself. Yeah. So I mean, that's everything. Like I said, there's 7 of these. But yeah, let me let you get a clean look at everything. So like I said before, I'm not able to put the new one up and show y'all, but here's the one that I already have up. So just giving y'all a look. But yeah, let's go ahead and connect to the app. So normally what I would do right here first is click plus and add device. And after adding the device, I would connect it to the internet, do an update. But since I already did that, let's just take a look. So here's color. This is where you change your colors if you want to be more specific with certain sections and things like that. But that's also what the DIY section is for. And then next up here, oh yeah, and yeah, so there's the subsections right there. I'm talking faster than my fingers. Here are some scenes. I'm going to click through these. Feel free to pause at any point, but of course after this I will be showing off quite a few of these, not all of them, but quite a few of them. So yeah, I love how Govee always has so many different scenes, and a lot of them are very similar. So you can always get all of them to look alike. You have your music modes. I'll also be showing this off. Then you have your share space where you can see the different light effects that people have created. Since this one's very popular, there are so many different effects for this DIY. Here are some of my saved ones that I have already. And then you have your AI mode where you can ask it to make specific colors like sports teams. Under more, you got your timers and effect labs and other options like that. And then in your settings, this is where you look at your layout and collaboration, your layout and calibration right here, which this is how I have mine. It's turned a little bit, but yeah, fairly simple.
I think I found my favorite distraction. At least I'm in line with this attraction. If you don't feel my eye, you've not had enough. This time I really need to come above, or else I slowly lose myself, lost in the round.
Well, guys, like I said earlier, this is an awesome product and I love it. And to tell you the truth, the fact that it's that I have shelves in between the Y lights was a complete accident. I wasn't originally planning on that. I put up the shelves and then I got the Y lights, and the Y lights just happened to fit perfectly with the shelves. So, you know, if you kind of do the same thing, let me know, because I think that it was a perfect accident. But anyways, guys, those were the Govee Y lights. I still have lots of other products that I'm doing soon. I have one other Govee product that I know I'm doing, which actually came out about a month ago or so. I don't know if I'm getting any more new ones this month. So yeah, but anyways, I appreciate y'all stopping by. As always, please like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for a little update of my area. Catch you guys later.